Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing a MonkeyType video. Um, Hopefully you can see my screen and everything's streaming correctly. I have no idea because for some reason my stream elements isn't going, but hopefully I'm streaming. It says I'm live, so cool. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to be doing some MonkeyType and then some, what's it called? Some RustRogue. Apologies that I have not been online. There have been some birthdays and some other stuff, and then I was on break from work and I was like, I can't be asked to stream. So today you're getting a MonkeyType live stream plus RustRogue live stream at the end of the year, even though you guys are probably having fun at the end of the year. But you know what? Wanted to stream just to make up for it. So anyway, let me bring up the counter. I always forget the counter, don't I? Honestly. Extra large. There we are. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I get to type on my keyboard every day now, so hoping that the typing has come back a bit. If not, very unfortunate. Does this one work? Hang on. There we are. By the way, I actually have chat up. I have a monitor. I don't know if I ever done a stream where I said that I now have a second monitor, but I do. I can now push that back now, just because I have room for it. Most of the time, I got my boom arm for my mic behind my monitor, so it's like very close to my face. But now that I'm streaming and my boom arm is out, but my monitor can move back a bit, which is actually kind of nice because this one's like very close to me. That's why you'll see me turn this way. That's why I put the camera up here. Anyway, now I can actually read chat. That was a long-winded way of me saying I can read chat now. Anyway, let me see how many I've done. That was 2, so I need to increment this one more time. Hang on. Yeah. Anyway. Whoops. Just to explain why this is gonna sound like, oh yeah, I'm just saying this to redeem myself a bit, but it's also to like kill time. Anyway, just to like explain why that was like very slow. I have Alt Shift turned on, so if there's like a capital letter on one side of the keyboard, I have to click the shift on the other side of the keyboard for it to register. And that's not like a keyboard thing. That's just in MonkeyType, because the whole point of it is if you use your opposite hand for shift or for like space, it gives you more of an opportunity to move fingers on the other hand. So like I don't know what it is. It's I think it's like, oh, if you're typing with one hand, the majority of letters that you'll be typing might be on that hand. So if you free up that hand by typing shift with the alternate hand, you're able to finish words faster. Obviously, I'm bloody slow because of it, and because like I keep forgetting that, oh, I have it enabled. This happens. Anyway, I am happy that my accuracy hasn't like dipped severely though. I think that's because I've been typing on this keyboard for work as well, but it is very nice. Whoops. The at and the speech mark key got me again. On a MacBook, they're switched. On my keyboard, they aren't. I really need to change the layout of my keyboard. But then all of the symbols will move and I have no idea where they are again. Fuck. Because I do that at work as well, where I'll be like, oh yeah, I'll click the at key, and it's not the at key. Oh, goddammit. What the fuck? Hang on. Oh. Huh? Why you... What the hell happened there? No idea what the hell happened. Oh yeah, that reminds me. There are some new IEMs that have come out, and I've seen that lots of people have reviewed some new IEMs. So if anybody wants a new recommendation list, I can drop a new video like on IEMs that I recommend, or I might make a blog post. But if anybody does want a new video, a new blog post on that, please drop a comment and I will do it. I will get around to it eventually. I say that eventually I will get around to it. But if anybody does want a video on that, then I will do one because lots of new IEMs have come out. It's not like the old ones are bad or like they've gone bad. It's just that there are a lot better IEMs that are out now. So if you want to get into IEMs, now is a decent time. But you don't have to spend like an insane amount of money to have like a good experience. Like I think you know what, I'll talk about it in a video soon. But if anybody does want that video to come out, drop a comment and I'll release one. I'll probably release one anyway, but if you drop a comment, I'll probably release it quicker. Anyway, whoops. 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 God damn it. I think this is the last one. 56.94, yes. Let's just do a 10 fast fingers. Let's see how we do. So anyway, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Whoops. Whoops. That sucks. But you know what? We move. Now we're gonna get into the Rust part of the video. I think I titled this chapter 5, didn't I? I'll fix that in VO. But we're gonna do chapter 5, the user interface. Let me just open up a terminal. What's that gonna do? Fuck. It always puts it in the wrong place. Huh? There we are. Let me just grab this one. There we are. Nice. And then let me just CD into this one. Chapter 8. There we are. Let me CD into hello. You know what? Hello Rust into if I CD into here, what's in here? I want to move that to RustRogue. There we are. Cool. Oh, there we are. Let's have a look. So, about this tutorial is free and open source. Okay, that's fine. In this chapter, we'll add a user interface to the game. We'll start by going to map RS and adding some constants, map width, map height, and map count. Map width, map height, map count. Oh, why do I have these? Then we'll go through and change every reference to 80 times 50 to map count. Let me. Oh, whoops. Find word. Map count. Oh, that's 43. Find word. 80 times 50. What's in there? Map count, map count, map count, map count, map count. Okay, fair enough. Oh, that was right. Okay. Okay, a new GUI.rs. Okay, let me just A. There we go. Okay, let me just copy this. There. Actually, that should be fine. Mod GUI. Then at the end of tick, where's tick? Let me just tick. There we are. There we are. Cool, let me just check that that's right. Oh wait. Always build, kids. Let me just give that a sec. I really need to get a new personal machine. Like my laptop's chugging, but I can hear it spinning like a mob. Intentional prefix with underscore. Nice. There's a smaller window now. The AI is still working, which is still interesting. Jesus Christ. And I'm trapped. But it's working, definitely. Cool. Yeah, there was a white box. It would help the player out to know how much health they have left. Fortunately, RTK provides a convenient help for this. We need to obtain the player's health from the ECS and render it. This is pretty easy, and you should be comfortable with the valid code looks like this. Let me just... Come on, there we go. Let me just I think it's dollar. No. What's the beginning of line? V%? No. V hashtag? No. What is it? Dollar. No. This one? No. This one? No. End of line? Start of line. There we go. I should just press this in it. That's a good idea. I'm happy that that exists though. Anyway, adding message to the log. The game log makes sense as a resource is available to any system that wants to tell you something, and there's very little interaction restriction as to what might want to tell something. What might want to tell you something. We'll start by modeling the log itself, making a new file, gamelog.rs. Cool. And then let me just yoink. God damn it. I keep hitting the super key when copying because that's how you do it on Mac, but it's not how you do it on Linux. Oh, fuck. This keyboard layout, man. Now I understand why people get keycrunch. Because at least on keycrunch, everything's in the same place, right? But if you're on Linux or Windows, it's like, oh yeah, you just need to remember that these keys do this thing when you switch. In main.rs, we add a mod game log. Let me just check something. Pub damage system. Do I have a game log? Oh, I have one now. Cool. Mod game log. Use game log. Colon. Game log. Let me just check that that's right. Check that. Yeah. Nice. Use. Of course, I can't spell. And then I just need to ECS.insert. I want to know where it does it. This, I mean, hang on, let me go to dash chap 7. I want chap 8. Because sometimes this is really good, and then at other times it's like, I have no idea what it means. Why has it done that? Because inside visibility system, it got pub struct visibility system. Like, GUI doesn't have a struct, so I understand, yeah? But game log does. You know what? I'm keeping it in. Because it's not going to complain about it anyway. Yeah, it doesn't render and register, but it does insert. Cool. So, why? You know what? Not going to complain. I'm just going to have that open in the background just so I remember. Control C. Print that. 0. Tab. Happy I'm fucking learning Vim commands now. I've been using Vim for like how long? I don't know, like a year or two? When saying no, I've been using Vim for how long has Vim.files been out? Since November? I mean 6th October? No way. Hang on. July, cool. I've been using Linux since July. That makes sense because as soon as I finished university, I was like, I'm not using Windows no more, and I yeeted Windows out of existence and installed Linux. When inserting the line into the log file, start using vec macro which finish factoring vectors. That gives us something to display, so we'll start writing the log code in GUI.rs, and our GUI drawing function we simply add. This needs to start saying what line numbers, man. What code is this? Let log. ECS.fetch game log. 17 to 21. Is that after the for loop? Yep. Just say you chuck it at the end then. That's what you did with the other one. Again, I'm being kind of unreasonable. This is a good tutorial. It's just I do things incorrectly. But most of the time. Let me just... There. And then let me... if I remember correctly, it's... Shift... 2... No. Whoops, I was a bit too aggressive. Hang on. But I was right, it's shift this. There we go. Let me just build. Oh, no, no way. What? Why are you complaining? Give me a sec. Internet's being slow for some reason. Okay, cool. Mod game log. Game log.rs, yeah. Mod GUI, mod game log, yep. Okay. Let me just game log. Yeah. And then right at the end. Game log. Yeah. Why is this complaining? Oh. There's no mod. Oh. I didn't realize it was different. He's gonna complain about the one that I unused, that's fine. There we are. That health bar looks a bit weird though. Hang on. Oh, that's how it's supposed to look. Okay. Fair enough. Just so you know, it kind of looks like this. Yeah, it looks exactly like this actually. Is it because of my font? No, there's no way it should be because of my font, because it's running in a certain window. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think I'm debugging, don't worry. We're getting ASMR fucking bottle action. and melee combat assistant. Oh wait, hang on. There we are. I just thank you. Okay. Okay. So let me just you are dead. I like that a lot better now because it used to just output straight to the terminal, and I'd be like, okay, now it actually outputs to there. I would like the deaths to be in there too, and that's the next thing. We can do the same thing with deaths. Good to know. I think it's game log. No, I hate when that happens. Hang on. GUI. Is it GUI? Oh, hang on. There we are. Yeah, imports game log, so I need to import it. Hang on. Which one did I edit last time? It was melee combat, right? Let me just V dollar. What the fuck? V dollar yank. Where is it? I think it's damage system. Yeah. V dollar print. Let me just, because I know I deleted something that was important. Player wants to melee. Okay, cool. So it needs player. Let me see how I done it in here. Damage system. Suffer damage. Okay, so I don't need these two so far. Yep. I need player over here. And name. There we go. Cool. So if I cargo run and I just die to an ogre, let me just, oh, I killed the ogre this time. Nice. Let me die. Goblin is dead. Ah, fuck. Hang on, I need to find another one to kill me now. There we are, I'm dead. Why did this not turn up? Hang on. Oh, so it only logs if you kill the entities. It doesn't log if you die. I don't like that. I'd rather if. I'd rather if it also logged that the player died, because that would be like the last thing I'd want to see. Instead of it just spamming in the thing. But I'm guessing. But then again, I'm guessing that it will just be like consistent spam inside that application. It'll spam in both. Basically, because of this for loop, there will still be entities like the other monsters that you haven't killed. So it will still loop through those. So because it's looping through those, that's why it has like constant output of "you are dead" in the terminal. So even if I do move that straight into that console window, instead of in the terminal, it'll still like repeat and log out unless I put a breakpoint, unless I put a break in there. That it does it once and breaks completely. I'll just keep that in mind. Jesus, that's a big one. And call it at the end of what? Oh, draw UI. Okay. Draw tooltips. And then I just need and ECS, I think. Oh, and world. Wait, hang on. And self.ecs, CTX. Does it pass in self.ecs or does it pass in mode? ECS CTX, cool. For anybody that doesn't know what those are, what I mean by those, I mean like the and or just whatever value is passing through, and means that you want the actual memory address. If you just pass it in as normal, you're just passing in a reference. So this is just saying, oh, I want you to have your own version of ECS and CTX. If you pass in and, you're saying you want it to actually have those values because you're passing in the memory reference to it. I mean the actual location in memory. Cool. In these point. Cool. So now if I put my mouse on him, it will say player 1. It will say player. And then let me just get a ogre to come in. Okay, so that's an ogre. And this will say goblin. I said ogre when it's a G. Let me get to a goblin, hang on. I mean, let me get to an ogre. Oh, god damn it. I just need an ogre. There we are, ogre. Ogre. There we are. Optional post-processing for that truly retro feeling. Since we're on look and feel, let's consider enabling an RLTA feature. Post-processing to give scan lines and screen burn for that really retro feel is entirely up to you if you want to use this in RS. Then it's just simply replace the first init command with this. Oh, you know I'm using this. Hang on, let me go to the very bottom. It's G. There we are. Use RLTK where let context. There we are. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks nice. If you don't it basically makes it look like an old RPG game. Like, oh, it has the scanlines. Like if you've ever played like old school Final Fantasy, or oh, what's a good dungeon crawler, like an old school one. I can't think of any dungeon crawlers, but like scanlines have been on lots of games, like games from back in the day, like N64, Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy SP, sorry. GameCube didn't have any. N64, Atari. What else had them? Commodore 65? But like old school games. Oh, nostalgia. I say that like I grew up with them. I didn't grow up with them. I just played them on like emulators and stuff, but still enabling scanlines made games feel so old and I don't know, it just hits somewhere deep, innit? Because it's like, oh, you're playing the old school game again. I remember playing the old school Pokemon Red and Blue on a Game Boy emulator. Oh, and you could enable scanlines. Good days. Nice. Wrap up. Cool. So next time, let me just delete this. Next time we're going to be working on, if it decides to load, items in inventory. Nice. Anyway, let me just commit these. Let me just the previous one was user interface. So chapter 8 user interface. And then let me do a list of changes. Do they have a heading thing? They do not. Let me just go through and just add the headings. Shrinking the map. Next chapter, items and inventory. Let me just go to RustRogue. Compare and pull request. Create pull request. Merge pull request. Confirm merge. There we are. And that's gonna be it for today. Let me have a look at Waka time. How long have I been coding for today? 28 minutes. I've been live streaming for 50. That's cool. At least my Neovim came back. I barely turn on my laptop now. It's literally just, oh, I'm finished work, and I'm like, yeah, cool, I'm out. Java, Rust is back though. Nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out the links in the description. Enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.